Hi, this is the iPhone 15 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So just to unmute the ringtone volume, if just your device is on silent mode, you could open the control panel, for example, and just slide to the up this volume panel with your finger. Also, you could make it by another way. Just open the settings and tap to the sounds and haptics, and just to unmute ringtone you should hold and slide to the right side this white dot on ring volume panel. And also we got third way how we could do that. Here we got this swatch. Just to unmute the ringtones you should just change it. Now when this red line just hidden, this means that the silent mode is turned off, so all of your ringtones and notifications, they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.